in question number 28, you can see this question has the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. That means suppose if a and b, suppose here a and b are numbers, what is the geometric mean? If a and b are the numbers, geometric means is square root of ab, right? And as per question is saying that the sum of the number, that means a plus b, is equal to 6 square root of ab. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, now we have to prove that the numbers are in ratio 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so first thing, we are dividing both side by 2 root square root of ab. Okay, this both side I'm dividing with 2 square root of ab. Fine. So on the left hand side you can see a plus b divided by 2 square root of ab equal to 6 square root of ab divided by 2 square root of ab equal to 3 by 1. Why 3 by 1? Square root of ab and square root of ab cancel and 6 and 2 cancel. So we are getting 3 by 1. Okay. Then next line is I hope you know this componendo dividendo method. Okay. I hope you know. Uh, if you I hope you know this one, that is if a divided by b is equal to c divided by d, that implies that a plus b divided by a minus b equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. Okay, so that is the componendo dividendo method. So we applied the componendo dividendo method here. If it was a plus b divided by 2 square root of ab, okay, so we just wrote a plus b plus 2 square root of ab, okay, divided by a plus b minus 2 square root of ab using this formula, this process. This is called componendo dividendo. So it will be 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now here we are getting this a plus b whole square. Just to show you what is this, square root of ab, square root of a plus square root of b whole square. So just use the a plus b whole square formula. Okay, what is a plus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square formula is a square. What is a square here? Here a is square root of a whole square. Okay, plus b square. What is b here? Square root of b plus 2 square root of a into square root of b. Okay, square root of a into square root of b. Fine. So you can see a plus 2 or square root of ab was there, and you know this is this, sorry, square root of a here, square root of a square is a, and square root of b is b, sorry, square root of b square is b plus 2 into square root of ab. Okay, that's what we can do. So that a plus b plus 2 square root of ab equal to, we wrote, square root of a plus b whole square. Fine. And similarly in the denominator also we are getting square root of a minus b whole square, and on the right hand side we are getting 2 divided by 1. Okay, then we are taking square root of both sides, taking square root of both sides. So if we take square root, it will be square root of root over a square root, and this square will cancel. So here it will be square root of a plus square root of b. Similarly denominator will be square root of a minus square root of b. Okay, and here the right hand side it will be square root of 2 divided by 1, because it is already 1 square root of 1 is 1. Okay, after that again in this line we'll use again the componendo dividendo formula. What is we're doing? Numerator plus denominator, okay, divided by numerator minus denominator. We have to use this one to the both side, okay, otherwise it will not be a formula. We have to use this one on the both side. So in the left hand side we just did this one, numerator plus denominator, okay, and numerator minus denominator. So it is minus, so it will be plus, okay, minus square root of a minus b, minus minus, it is plus, fine. And here on the right hand side, square root of plus 1 divided by square root of minus 1. So on the numerator you can see this b and this b will be cancelled. Similarly on the denominator, this a plus the square root of a and minus square root of a will be cancelled. So numerator will be 2 square root of a, denominator will be 2 square root of b. Okay, so 2 cancel, it will be square root of a by b. Okay, then on the right hand side nothing is changing. Then if we take the whole square both side, it will be a by b is equal to square root of 2 plus 1 whole square divided by square root of 2 minus 1 whole square. So a plus b whole square formula, right? A square formula. Let's write the formula. So it will be square root of 2 whole square plus 2 into square root of 2 into 1 plus 1 square. Okay. Similarly, denominator also will be same thing. Denominator will be same thing but with a different sign. Okay, so 2 squared is 2 and 2, this one is 2 root 2 plus 1. Similarly denominator also 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So ratio will be, we will get a by b equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. So the ratio is 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, this question is very important question, 6 marks question. Okay, any doubt regarding this question? Basically in this question all of you need to have, you just need to do this class 9-10 concept. Class 9, this I think you should know this one, component dividend of what, and the class 9 means this square whole square formula. Okay, anyone have doubt regarding this question? Okay, before moving on to the next part, I just want to share something. It's okay, last at the last I'll share this one. Okay, so move on to the next question. Next question is question number 29. Question number 29 is saying if A and G be AM and GM respectively between two positive numbers, prove that A plus minus square root of A plus G into A minus G. So basically arithmetic mean, we know that arithmetic mean of between two numbers is B, A plus B by 2. Okay. If A and B are two numbers, then arithmetic mean of the two numbers will be A plus B. Fine. Okay. Then so we took that let the numbers are a and b, small a and small b, and we have to just mention a greater than b. Okay, for just mention. So we are getting that arithmetic mean a is equal to a plus b by 2. So we can write that a plus b equal to 2a. We are marking this one as 1. And geometric mean, we know geometric mean is equal to square root of ab, which is equal to g, and we are writing g ab equal to g square. Okay. So basically after this we wrote a plus b equal to 2a. So we can write a plus b equal to a plus b whole square equal to 4a square. Okay. How many of you know this formula? Please tell me. A plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Let me know, then I'll prove. If you know this one, it's okay. Otherwise, I'll prove. How many of you know this formula? Otherwise, I'll prove. A plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. How many of you know this formula? Okay, don't know. This is just an extension of class 9, that identities. It's okay. Um, okay, fine. I'm solving the right hand side. Okay, I'm solving the right hand side. Left hand side you will solve by this one. Right hand side is equal to. I'm not writing the again the formula. Okay. First tell me what is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula a square plus minus 2ab plus b square, right? Plus 4ab is there. Okay. Then mine a square will be there. A square will be there. B square also will be there because nothing to change. Now plus 4ab minus 2ab, how much? Plus 2ab. Yes or no? Plus 4ab minus 2ab will be plus 2ab, right? And that is equal to a plus b, sorry, a plus b whole square. Okay, that was the extension of the formula. That was the extension of the formula. Okay, some of you, many of you don't know. So this formula we'll use here. Okay, that is a plus b equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, this formula we'll use here. So what is the use of this formula? First I wrote here a plus b equal to 2a, right? So if we take whole square both sides, we will get a plus b whole square equal to 4a square. Fine. Then next line we can write then we are just using this formula a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay. So we are writing a minus b whole square plus 4. Instead of ab I'm writing g square because we got ab equal to g square. So a minus b whole square we are getting is equal to 4a square minus 4g square. Okay, 4a square we already had because it was 2a, right? This line, next line, I'm taking the 4g square to the right hand side. Okay, so we are getting 4a square minus 4g square. Now on the right hand side, left hand side will not do anything. On the right hand side we are taking common 4. Okay, so what will be inside? A square minus g square. Now a minus b whole square is equal to 4a square minus g square. So a minus b equal to square root of 4 a square minus g square. Okay, and plus we are taking, if square root of 4 we know 2, and a square minus g square we are using the formula a plus b into a minus b. Okay, can anyone tell me why I'm not writing plus minus here? Why I'm not writing plus minus here? You can see always when I used to write a minus b whole square equal to this, but here I'm writing a minus b equal to only square root, not plus minus. Can anyone tell me why I'm not using a minus b equal to plus minus? Let's see how many of you are learning maths. Anyone? Why a minus b equal to, I'm not writing plus minus, I'm taking only plus. Why I'm not writing plus minus? Any answer? Anyone? Even if wrong answer, please reply that why I'm taking only plus, not minus. Anything? Okay, still no. Okay, fine, still no response. Okay, because why I'm taking a minus b equal to plus? Because I already took here a greater than b. Okay, that means a minus b always positive. Okay, 5 minus 3 always positive, right? Because 5 is greater than 2 3. Okay, so we took a minus a greater than b. For that reason I put here a greater than b, so that a minus b we will take only the positive positive square root. Okay, now a plus b value we know from here. Look, a plus b equal to a and a minus b equal to this. So using this 1 and 3 we'll get one value. Add 1 and 3, so we'll get a plus b equal plus a minus b. On the right hand side we'll get a 2a plus this expression, 2 into square root of a plus g into a minus g. So from here b cancel, and from both side 2 to cancel, a will be a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g. If I subtract 1 from 3, we'll get a plus b. Sorry, we will subtract 3 from 1. We subtract 3 from 1. That means a plus b minus a minus b. Okay, so that let's write here in bracket. Okay, so it will be a cancel, only b will remain. It will be similarly it will be, let's show next line. Minus. So from both side 2 to cancel, b will be small b equal to a minus square root of a plus g into a minus g. So hence together the numbers are a plus minus square root of a plus g. One number is a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g. Another number is a minus square root of a plus g into a minus g. This is very important question and very important results also. This result we can use in some competitive exam. Okay, we can use in some competitive exam. Okay, just waste a minute. Some of you are very okay. So move on to the next question. I hope all of you are copying this one. Okay, now school also open, so if you're having any small doubt, you can come to the school anytime. Okay, just to inform me. uh, Next, question number 30. Question number 30 is saying that number of bacteria in a certain culture. Culture means in a certain container, that is called culture, where the bacteria study used to do. Okay, that is called culture. Doubles in every hour. Okay, in a certain culture, the bacteria doubles in every hour. If there are 30 bacteria initially present, okay, if there were 30 present bacteria present in culture originally, how many bacteria will be present at the end of second hour, fourth hour, and nth hour? Okay, so it's saying it is double in every hour, right? So you can just to inform this one, bacteria A is 30. Okay, number of bacteria we are taking A, and common ratio R is 2. So bacteria at the end of second hour, it will be T3. Okay, why? Because the number 30, that is on 0, it is starting from 0. Okay, number 30 should be the T1, but it is 0. So second hour, it will be T3. Is it clear? I'm saying, showing you another one. Okay, bacteria at the end of first hour. What will be the bacteria at the end of first hour? Just a number. If at the originally, at the present, 30 bacteria was present at the end of first hour, what was the number of bacteria? Please, anyone can tell me? Anyone? If originally there was 30 bacteria at the end of first hour, what will be the number of bacteria? If number of bacteria doubles in hour, what will be number of bacteria in first hour? Let me answer this. Let me answer first. What is the number of bacteria? Two. Read the question again. Nadia, I saw you were doing, I mean, so silly mistake. So much. Yeah. No, not 30. It should be 60. Okay. Because it's saying 30 bacteria was present in the culture originally. That means when the time even not started. Understood? When the time was not started, that was 30 bacteria. How many bacteria will be? And it is doubling every hour. So after the first hour, it will be 30 into 2. Okay, so it will be 60. Understood? So first hour will consider as T2, not T1. T1 is already this one. So what I mean to say, our second hour will be T3, which is equal to AR square. Okay, similarly, bacteria at the fourth hour will be equal to T4, sorry, T5, which is equal to AR to the power 4. Okay, if you put the value, A value is how much? A 30. R value is 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 30 into 4 to the 4 equal to how much? 16, I guess. 2 square 4, 8, yeah, 16. 3 into 4 is equal to 480. Okay, similarly, bacteria at the end of n hour. Similarly, bacteria at the end of nth hour, nth hour will be equal to T n plus 1 is equal to a r to the power n, which is equal to 30 into 2 to the power, or you can directly write 2 to the power n. Okay, that is the number of bacteria after the nth hour. Then yeah, that is the answer. This first hour one, look, this first hour one, I just show you to how to get. Okay, you, you can skip this copy. Understood? Just to understand this thing, I just showed. Similarly, question number 31 also same kind of problem. Okay, that is very popular problem, like we all used to do in the lower classes, right? We all used to do this kind of problem in lower classes. That is called compound interest problem. Okay, but here we will not use the what it called compound interest formula. We'll use the geometric progression. The question is, what will be 500 amount to 10 years after it deposit in a bank which pays annual interest rate of 10% compounded annually? So 500 is the initial amount, time is 10 years, okay, and bank used to pay annual interest at the rate of 10% compounded. Compound interest. Compound interest means, you know what? Compound interest means, suppose in first year, whatever the interest is, suppose in the this principal amount 500, interest 10%. So after interest after one year will be what? 500 into 10%, that is 50 rupees. Okay. After 1 year, that interest will be added to your amount. Okay, next year the 10% will be on this amount. That is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Simple interest, you will get interest only the principal amount, but compound interest will be whatever the amount will be after 1 year, you will get interest on that. Okay, so after 1 year, second year, some interest will be added. Okay, so for third year you will get interest on that amount. So every year the amount used to be increased. Understood? So we can see the principal amount is 500 and interest is 10%. Interest after 1 year will be 500 and 10%, that is 50 rupees. So after 1 year amount will be 550. 50 rupees will be added to 500. Fine. So here now after 1 year, initially here A is 500, okay, because it started from 500, and common ratio R is 550 divided by 500. So we got 1.1. So after total amount of 10 years, it will be T11. Why? Because this 500 was T0. Okay, it is T1 already, but is the year not started. It is the principal value. So it will be T11, which is equal to A r to the power 10. A r to the power 10. So A value is 500, R value is 1.1 and 0. You no need to find this one. Okay, even if you have a calculator, no need. This is your answer. Is it clear? Now last question for this one. Last question is that if AM and GM of roots of a quadratic equation are 5, 8 and 5 respectively, then obtain the quadratic equation. AM and GM of the roots is given 8 and 5. We have to find the quadratic equation. So the roots are A and B, small a and small b, right? So AM means we know A plus B by 2, which is equal to given 8. So what is the value of A plus B we got? We got 16. GM is given GM is square root of AB. We know that if A and B are numbers, square root of AB will be GM. Sorry, sir, I'm facing network issue. So GM we got square root of AB, which is equal to 5. Okay, so AB equal to, if square root of AB equal to 5, AB equal to will be 5 square, that means 25. Okay, get 5 square, which is equal to 25. Now we know the general form. I hope all of you know at least the general form of a quadratic equation. Okay, you already passed class 10. General form of quadratic equation is that x square minus a plus b. If a and b are two roots, the general equation of the quadratic equation will be x square minus a plus b x plus ab equal to 0. Okay, sum of the roots here plus product of the roots here, right? So sum of the root a plus b, we got 16, and AB we got 25. So we are just putting the values. This is our required quadratic equation. This is our required quadratic equation. Okay, so our chapter exercise 9.3 completed. We quickly going to our next part, that is 9.4. And 9.4 based on a very simple formula. We already discussed the formula in before. That is sum of infinite Gp formula. Okay, sum of infinite Gp formula is that Sn equal to a divided by 1 minus r, whereas modulus of r less than 1. Okay, that is the only formula we know. So you can see that a is first term and r is common ratio. That is very easy thing. This chapter is very easy. Exercise 9.4 very small and very easy. Only 1 and 2 question is hard. So 9.4, I'll do few problem 1 and some problems I'll do, and some you have to do by yourself. Question number 1 I'm not doing, you will do by yourself. Question number 2 I'm doing. Okay, I already did, but I'll show question number 5 you. Question number 3. So in question number 2 you can see 6, 1.2, 0.24 up to infinity. That what we have to find the sum. So here first term is, you can see the first term is 6. How to find the common ratio? Common ratio always I told second term divided by first term. So 1.2 divided by 6. 1.2 divided by 6 equal to this point decimal is cancelled, so 0 is coming down. Okay, so we'll get 1 by 5 as a common ratio. We are getting 1 by 5 as a common ratio. Okay, now sum Sn formula is a divided by 1 minus r, right? So a divided by 1 minus r means what? A is 6, 1 is 1, and r is 1 by 5. That's as simple as that. After that we just simplified. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. So 5 is going up and we are getting 7.5. Okay, as simple as that. So next do this question. Question number 3. A is 5. Common ratio r will be equal to second term divided by first term. So second term is 20 by 7. Okay, divided by first term, that is 5. If you simplify this one, you will get 20 by 7 into 1 by 5, which is equal to 4 by 7. Okay, now Sn formula, same Sn formula. Put in the Sn formula. So it will be A equal to 5, then 1 minus 4 by 7. Okay, which is equal to 5 divided by, it will be 3 by 7, right? The next line, it will multiply, 7 will multiply on the numerator, 7 will multiply with the numerator, divided by 3. So answer will get 35 by 3. That's the answer. Okay, that's the answer. Next question number 4. Question number 4 also similarly, only the minus sign is there, only that fact. So you can see that first term is minus 3 by 4, 3 by 16, minus 3 by 64. The first term is minus 3 by 4. Common ratio will be second term divided by first term. So you can see common ratio we find like this. Common ratio we find like this, that 3 by 16, that is second term, divided by first term, that is minus 3 by 4. So it will be 3 by 16 divided into 4 by minus 3. 3 cancel, this 4, this 16 cancel. So ultimately ratio we are getting minus 1 by 4. Fine, minus 1 by 4. Now Sn will be A divided by 1 minus R. A is minus 3 by 4 and R is 1 minus 1 by 4. So it will be denominator, it is just adding. So 4 cancel from the denominator. We are getting minus 3 by 5. That's the sum. So question number 1 I'm giving as a homework. Okay. And this chapter, after this one, it will be finished. Okay. In Google Classroom, I hope you know where to upload the homework. One chapter 9 homework as the assignment window is there. So you have to upload there. Fine. This homework. Okay, next, last problem. This problem is important. We have to prove 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 4 into 3 to the power 1 by 8 is equal to 3. Fine. So left hand side you can see 3 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied 3 to the power 1 by 4 multiplied 3 to the power 1 by 8. We know that when base are same in the product, power will be added. So it will be, look, all our base are 3, so power will be added. It will be 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to infinity. Fine. Similarly, now 1 by 4 is equal to, we can write 2 square, right? Similarly, 1 by 8 we can write 2 cube up to infinity. So this is also a sum of infinite GP, where first term is 1 by 2 and common ratio is 1 by 2. Okay, because 1 by 2 square divided by 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. So sum, just you put in the formula. Otherwise you can copy this one, okay, as a SN, and you can find separately and you can put here again. Okay, then no problem. Otherwise you can do like this. So you can see 3 to the power, we can see numerator is 1 by 2, denominator is 1 minus 1 by 2, a divided by a minus r. A we got here, you can write here, here a equal to 1 by 2 and common ratio are also 1 by 2. Okay, so we are getting that 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, so it is cancelled. Ultimately we are getting 3 to the power 1, which is equal to 3, which is equal to right hand side. That's what we have to prove, right? Is equal to 3. Okay, then last problem of this chapter. Last problem of this chapter, very important problem. This question also very important for 6 marks. Okay, this question is saying, let x equal to 1 plus a plus a square. If anyone having any doubt on any question, you can ask me now or ask me later also, no problem. And y equal to given 1 plus b square, where modulus of a less than 1 and modulus of b less than 1. Prove that a plus 1 plus ab plus a square b square equal to xy divided by x plus 1 minus 1. This value we have to prove. Now we can see on the this x equal to 1 plus a square dot at infinity. This is following our infinite GP. So we are using the formula. We are getting x equal to 1 by 1 minus a, because 1 is the first term and a is the common ratio. Okay, so after that we are cross multiplying. Okay, we are cross multiplying. We are cross multiplying. Okay, so we are getting x minus ax equal to 1. Okay, then I'm taking the 1 to the right hand side and putting the putting ax to the right hand side. I'm taking the 1 to the left hand side and putting the ax to the right hand side. Then dividing both sides with x. So it will be a, and right hand side will be x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, so ultimately we are getting this 1 minus 1 by x. Fine. Okay, we can do different way also. So a value we got 1 minus 1 by x. Okay, we will put this value in this equation. We have to prove this one, right? So we will put this one here. A, B we will put here. Then similarly B also we are getting same 1 plus you can see 1 plus b square. So here 1 is the first term and b is the common ratio. Okay, you can do this part a different way also. I'm showing you another way. Suppose next line I can write 1 by y equal to 1 minus b. I can write this one, right? Y equal to 1 by 1 minus b. So if I take the reciprocal, it will be 1 by y equal to 1 minus b. Okay, so the next line I can write b equal to 1 minus 1 by y. Okay, I'm taking the b to the left hand side, and taking the 1 by y to the right hand side. So it is 1, 2, 3 step is better. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step was there. Yeah, this is easy to do. Okay, if you are having doubt, you can use the previous step also. Okay, you can use like this also. Fine. So basically we have to find a and b value. Fine. Now left hand side is equal to a plus ab plus a square b square double infinity. So here first term is 1 and common ratio is ab. So it will be 1 divided by 1 minus ab. Instead of a and b, we are putting the values. Okay. If we put the values, we are getting this. Then I will have to do the simplification. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 1 by y, minus 1 by y. Minus 1 by x into 1 is minus 1 by x. And minus 1 by x into minus 1 by y is plus 1 by xy. If we open the bracket, the sign will change and 1, 1 cancel. Right? 1, 1 cancel. So ultimately we are getting 1 divided by, this part is cancelled. We are getting 1 by x, 1 by y minus 1 by xy. If you take the LCM, will be xy. Okay, numerator no change. Denominator xy LCM, and here we are getting x plus y minus 1. So you know this xy will be go to the numerator. Ultimately answer is xy is equal to this, the xy divided by x plus y minus 1, which is equal to right hand side. That's what we have to prove here. Okay, this is also very important question, very important question. Okay, so our question is done. I'm copying only two more miscellaneous problem. I was thinking to give you some miscellaneous problem. Okay, this is not included in a book, but still if you can do. Okay, so first question is that x y z x comma 2y and 3z are in AP. Okay, x comma 2y comma and 3z are in AP, where the distinct number x y z are in GP. Find the common ratio of GP. Okay, so basically we are given that x plus xy, x 2y and 3z are in AP. X 2y 3z are in AP. If this number are in AP, therefore we can write, therefore we can write x plus 3z equal to 2 into 2y. Okay, that is equal to 4y. Because because if any three numbers are in AP, using the M formula, we can write this. If ABC are in AP, we can write A plus C equal to 2B. So we are writing A plus C, which is 3Z, equal to 2B. B is 2Y. Okay, so we'll mark this one as number 1. Fine. Then number 2, that is GP. They're saying X comma Y comma Z are in GP. Okay, so what we can write? Therefore we can write y square is equal to xz. Okay, that is number xz. Now let small r be the common ratio of the GP. Okay, for the GP, R is the common ratio. So if x, y, z are in are in GP, can anyone tell me what will be y divided by x? If R is the common ratio and x, y, z are in GP, what is the y divided by x? Please let me know, anyone. Anyone, please let me know. If x, y, z are in GP and R is the common ratio, so what is y divided by x? What is the value of y divided by x? Is my question is clear? I'm saying x, y, z. You can see x, y, z are in GP and y square, and R is the common ratio. So what will be y minus y divided by x? If x, y, z are in GP and R is the common ratio, so what will be y divided by x? Anyone, please? Let's see. Otherwise, I'll think that no one is studying. It's showing though, but still. What will be y divided by x? No answer. If x, y, z are in GP, what is the second term divided by first term? My goodness. If x, y, z are in GP, second term divided by first term is common ratio, that is R. Understood? I don't know whom are I'm giving lesson. Similarly, what will be z divided by y? It will be also R. Okay. but z divided by x. Anyone can tell me what will be z divided by x? I'm not expecting anything, but still. Anyone? What will be z divided by x? Z is third term, x is first term. So third term divided by first term will be r square. If r is the common ratio, it will be r square. Okay. Now, from equation 1. Equation 1 is this. What is equation 1? X plus 3z equal to 4y. That is equation y. X plus 3z equal to 4y. That is equation 1. Then next line, I'm dividing both sides with x. I'm dividing both sides with x. So it will be x by x plus 3z by x 4y by x. Okay. Then next line it will be 1 plus 3 into z by x. Okay. Equal to 4y by x. Okay. Now look, we have these two values. Look, z by x is r square and y by x is r. We'll put the values. So next line it will be 1 plus 3 r square, because we are just putting the value into 4r. So next line it will be 3r square minus 4r plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So basically now you have to do the middle term factor, minus 3r minus r plus 1 equal to 0. 3r r minus 1, then minus 1 common, so it will be r minus 1 equal to 0. So the next line it will be r minus 1 into 3r minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So sorry, it will be either r minus 1 will be equal to 0, so r equal to 1. Okay. Or it will be 3r minus 1 equal to 0, which means r equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Can anyone tell me which will be accepted? We got r equal to 1 and we got r equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Which value will be accepted? Which value of r will be accepted? Anyone? Which value will be accepted? R we got 1 by 3 and r we got 1. So which value will be of r will be accepted? Any answer? This r value, not r can't be equal to 1, because in a GP if r common ratio is 1, look here is saying where the number are distinct number, x y z are distinct numbers. Okay, so if common ratio are our common ratio is 1, that means the number will be same number, because first number multiply 1 will be the same number of first number, right? So it will not be a distinct number, because it is saying the distinct number here, it's not possible, right? is not possible. Okay, so our value will be 1 by 3. Fine, common ratio is 1 by 3. Then the next question I'm giving you as a homework. Try in home. Later I will give you the solution. This question I'm giving you as a homework. Try by today, by tomorrow at least. Then I'll give the solution. Okay. Now, very